Surah 2 and Ayah 257. Allahu waliyul ladhina amanu yukhrijuhum min az-zulumati ila an-nur والذين كفروا أولياؤهم الطاغوت يخرجونهم من النور إلى الظلمات أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون. Allah is Wali, protector of those who believe. He takes them out from the darkness towards the light. And those who reject, their Aulia protector is taghoot, translated as unjustly, harsh, cruelty. They take them out from the light towards the darkness. They are the companions of fire. They will remain in it forever. Now in this ayah, we come to know that Allah is the Wali or the protector to mankind. That we mankind, all of us, requires comfort and security. That is, Allah is the Wali, the protector to mankind. And when we come in His protection, what He does is يُخْرِجُهُمْ مِنَ الظُّلُمَاتِ إِلَى النُّورِ, that He takes out mankind from the darkness into light. Now this darkness and light is not a physical light or physical darkness, but we can understand the sense of it that physically when we are in a dark room, you can not look around until unless that the light is there, the physical light you can see, so we can see each other, we can see the surroundings and what's going on, what is going around. Similarly in psychology, what are the governing ayahs or what are the rules? What are the governing ayahs in the Quran? What are the do's and the don'ts in the ayahs? What we have to do and what we have not to do? If we do not know, we are in darkness. We are in darkness. And once we read the Quranic ayahs and understand them, so Allah clarifies these ayahs, and then we come out from the darkness, because we are doing so many things wrong in ignorance. We do not know. We are doing wrong things. That is because we are not seeing clearly. We are in a dark room. In psychology, we can't see properly. So when we read the ayahs, we come to know this is what Allah is explaining to us. So in the concept, we are coming out from darkness into light. The purpose of Allah in making Himself as a protector to us, we can come in security and comfort when we read the ayahs, and when we come to know the do's and the don'ts, and we understand them, we understand in their essence, and when we follow, we come out from darkness into light. We can see the things around us. All the things, anything you can think and imagine is not known to you until unless you know the ayahs, what Quran says about that particular thing. Like what the Quran today says about the Wali. We have been knowing Wali, the Wali or the Aulia, the Sarparas, what people are projecting in the world. Today you are hearing what the Quran has to say about this word Wali. So similarly, so now in this ayah, Allah is taking out the people from the darkness into light. That is the purpose. That is how Allah becomes the Wali or the protector. Further it says, وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَوْلِيَاهُمُ الطَّاغُوتِ يُخْرِجُونَهُم مِّنَ النُّورِ إِلَى الظُّلُمَاتِ. And then those who reject, those people who reject, their protector, Aulia, is the taghoot. Now taghoot is unjustly harsh or cruel. This is an emotion within a human being. When a person becomes unjust and harsh and cruel, that he is under the phase of Arabic word taghoot. So you must know, وَالَّذِينَ, those who reject, what they reject? When they came into the light by Allah, from the darkness into light, they saw the things properly, and after knowing the things, how to walk or how to see in this light, they reject. وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, those who reject, their protector is unjustly cruel. They become unjustly cruel or harsh. So what they do, this feeling of their emotion put them back into darkness. يُخْرِجُونَهُم مِّنَ النُّورِ إِلَى الظُّلُمَاتِ. This unjustly cruel or harsh behavior is a taghoot, which puts the person, after coming into light and after seeing things properly and clearly, this emotion put the people back into darkness. We must be very careful. First of all, we understand the ayahs and essence of the ayahs, and once we come to know, the more our emotion of being unjustly harsh and cruel will become is a taghoot in Arabic, will put you back into darkness where you came out. Ulaika ashabun nar, they are the companions of fire, hum fiha khalidun, and they will remain in it forever.